Hi, this is Raj from Sportscars. In this video I'm going to demonstrate how to program the auto wipers on a car that wasn't factory optioned with auto wipers, such as this 981 Boxster GTS, which is a stunning car. It's only covered 4,600 miles. It's an April 2016 car, 2023, so it's over 7 years old now. It's covered a super low mileage. It has got a full history. Right, the auto wipers is also known as the rain sensor option. It was normally packaged, especially in the UK, with the auto dimming mirrors. This car hasn't got the auto dimming mirrors, and the way you can tell, it's got a manual flip for if you're getting dazzled by a car behind. But you can't put those in very easily without changing parts. But the auto wipers are programmed by a sensor here, which is in all of the cars, whether they were spec'd with it. All you need is, well, I say all you need the diagnostic system, either a Porsche one or another manufacturer's. I'm going to show you how to do it with the Porsche one, which here I've got is PWIS 3 with the dongle that fits in the OBD port, the cable that connects it to the Porsche software, and obviously I need the key as well. So what I'll do is I will get all this ready. So first thing to do, you don't actually need to turn on the car, you just need to have it just so it's got all of the lights on the dash. That powers up the OBD and all the computers. This car's got overmats as well, which is lovely from new. Right, so that's plugged in. I will just go and grab the laptop as well now. Plug in this cable. Now, if everything's up and working, when I press on diagnostics, it should just instantly recognise that this is a Boxster. There we go, 981. Hopefully this should be quite quick. So I'll just wait for that to load up. So let me demonstrate that it doesn't actually work at the moment, because that's the key thing. So the auto wiper setting, if you put it on intermittent, just there, and you turn it to the first click, it will go once, but then it won't do it again. Now, how it works is that it's got this little sensor here. You can spray water on it. I'm not going to bother on this. If you just tap it, it's not doing anything. So the auto wipers aren't enabled on this car. Just the intermittent is going itself at the moment. So what I need to do, additional menu, don't want to create a val. I want to do vehicle and maintenance data first. So yeah, I'll turn that off actually. There we go. So maintenance of vehicle data is the one I want. Next. And that has all the statistics, all the details of the car, I should say, not statistics, including all the colours of every bit of interior, what options are installed. Now the one I want is on the M numbers, and I go to what's installed. These are all the bits that are installed. The code is 200 and something, but it's not there. So if I scroll below this, below all the things that have been installed, these are the things that haven't been installed. So you can even change size fuel tanks and things like that, as long as you physically change the fuel tank, of course. So I want to go to 2. So the one I want to go to is here we go, rain sensor, so 268. So I'm going to install that. So that should have jumped to the top. This is not very helpful actually. Let me put it back to its normal order. Go to 268. Right, so rain sensor, I've selected that. It says it's been changed. So then I want to go next. It says right values, so I want to go save. So that's writing that vehicle data. Okay, so that is now, the data has been created. So now I will need to go back, and I'll need to select everything on the overview page. You could probably get away with not selecting all of these things, but it's always safe just to select everything. And then you go to coding programming. This might take a little while. Okay, so the one I want to select is automatic coding. And now it's going to go through, write the documentation necessary to make that change. This will take a few minutes, so I will fast forward this bit of the video. Right, so here it seems to be going through every control unit, and it will scroll across with a progress bar. Meanwhile, the dash is going a bit mad because it's going through all the different systems one at a time. So yeah, it's just stopped running through something there. So there it's got number 6, 7, 8, 9. There, that flashes on service as well. There's a progress bar working across. Now it started writing the codes. Okay, so that's that completed. It says it didn't do a couple of items, but that's okay. So now if I go back to overview, go to additional menu, main sensor vehicle data. If I scroll to the rain sensor under installed, hopefully it will be now listed as installed. So rain sensor is now installed, which is great, and I'll just show you that working now. Right, so if I put it back on intermittent, and if I tap, so that turns it on straight away. And if I don't tap it, so that's it fully working. So that is as easy as it is to get the rain sensor enabled. As I said, all the hardware is in there. It just needs telling it's got it. Any Porsche specialist should be able to see that who has the diagnostic system. Hope you found the video useful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to comment below. Thanks for watching.